We're ending off the month with some last minute heat, so let's talk about the ash blue Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 and let's see if it's worth your time and your money. On with the video, but first let's hear a few words from our sponsor Pushers. One of the largest online sneaker stores in Australia, they constantly stock a variety of the most hyped and current sneakers that have released, whilst keeping them well priced. New sneakers drop weekly, and with such an amazing assortment of sneakers being stocked, there's definitely a pair of sneakers to satisfy your every needs. With being one of the biggest online sneaker stores in Australia, authenticity and great customer services are assured. Go and check out their amazing website in the link in the description below, and go and follow their social medias down below as well. And with all that being said, let's get into the video. What is going on, you guys? I'm Salvador and welcome back to another resale predictions and investment insights video where we talk about the latest and greatest in sneakers and seeing if particular sneaker releases can bring you some profits, what sneakers are worth it to buy into and invest and hold to bring that return on investment that we all love to see. Today's sneaker of choice is obviously going to be the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the ash blue colorway. Another 350 V2 to look forward to, depending on if you're still rocking with the V2s or if you think that they should have been left behind in 2017. I myself personally like them as a sort of a athleisure and lifestyle sneaker. They're super comfortable and mold to your foot just like a sock does. I also want to hit you guys with some background information on this sneaker just so we're all on the same page and you guys know all the release info. So this sneaker will be releasing February the 27th for a retail price of 220 USD. It's also going to be releasing alongside an ash pink. I think that's what the sneaker is called. So yeah, they're going to be releasing, I think, on the same day, February 27th, but instead of a blue tinge to the sneaker, it's going to feature more of a pinky. And I'm actually rocking with both sides of the sneaker. You got the ash blue and then you also got the ash pink that's releasing on the same day. I think the ash pink is a regional exclusive sneaker, exclusive only to Europe. I might make a separate video on that topic itself, tomorrow or something like that. Let me know if you guys want an ash pink breakdown. But with all that being said, let's talk more about this sneaker. Usually I really hate making videos about the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 just because it's always generally the same thing. They have another colorway that's very similar to the other colorways, and then they recharge 220 USD or 340 Australian dollars, and then they tend to end up sitting or selling for retail or even below retail for some sizes. But for this sneaker release, I personally really rock with it and really vibe with the colors. Of course, it's not another one of those beige earthy tone sneakers releases that we've seen happen so often with Adidas and Yeezy. This is more of a blue tinge. I really enjoy it and rock with it, and we don't see that many blue tinted Yeezys nowadays, so there's that. I do think that a ton of people do rock with the color blue, and with this sneaker it does think and give me denim vibes. So if ever you wanted to rock these with some denim pants, hey man, that could be a decent outfit in its own right. But honestly, judging by the demand for this sneaker, it shouldn't be that hard to get. So it will be a good personal cop if you're going to wear these for personals and not resell or flip them. If you are looking to flip them, I would like to direct your attention to StockX prices right now. I seem to like the sneakers, but I guess the market does not, because these sneakers, even before the release date, is currently reselling for prices of around retail price, around 340 to 370 Australian dollars, or around 220 to around 250 USD if I'm not mistaken. I expect these to drop and sell for below retail a few weeks after the release date, because that's how everything works. If you see the current pre-sale prices right now before a sneaker is being released, chances are 90% of the time they drop significantly after the sneaker is dropped, because supply is entering the market, people are finding lower prices or selling for retail. So if you guys want to buy into the sneaker, I'd recommend buying after the release. Okay, don't be buying pairs on the day of the drop, or don't be getting scalped pairs before the release date. You will lose money. But in all honesty, I really like the sneaker, but it doesn't seem like it's going to be a good flip. If you do cop them for retail, you may either have a hard time moving the pairs and finding a buyer for the right price, because even though market prices may be what you see on screen on StockX, it's not necessarily the price that you'll always get. There's always PayPal fees, there's always shipping costs and everything. There's always negotiators trying to hustle you down from the lower price. So always keep that in mind when you're buying sneakers, especially if they have a high capital cost cost of around 220 USD or like 340 Australian dollars. So always keep that in the back of your mind whenever you're flipping sneakers. If you invest in these sneakers, I'd honestly look elsewhere, since the capital costs are again super high for a low return on investment. There's definitely better choices out there. But with all that being said, I think that this sneaker is definitely a sell, or if a flip, if you do manage to break even or sell at or sell at higher than retail price. Obviously there will be some gains in the long term, but it's not proportionate to how much you're going to be paying for these shoes and the duration that you will be holding these sneakers for. But nevertheless, it's a really nice sneaker. I really rock with the colorway, and I think that it's an amazing sneaker to wear for personal use, but I don't really see some major financial benefits from holding these sneakers or flipping them. But with all that being said, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like the video, subscribe, and comment down below your views on the sneaker. I'll see you guys tomorrow, possibly for a ash pink video. And with all that being said, thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time in another video. Peace.